Oxygen is needed for burning. Place 2 candles on a table. Light both candles A and B. Place a jar over candle A. The jar stops the air outside from reaching the candle and stops air inside the jar from going outside. Thus, candle A has a limited air supply, unlike candle B, which is left uncovered. Candle A uses the oxygen present in the jar to keep the fire burning. The burning also produces carbon dioxide, which remains at the top of the jar due to the heat. The fire in candle A soon goes out because the carbon dioxide produced by the candle prevents the small amount of oxygen present in the jar from reaching the candle. As oxygen is necessary for burning, the candle cannot burn without it. Candle B continues to burn because it has access to oxygen in the air, and the carbon dioxide produced by the fire moves away from the candle.